एयर चीफ मार्शल मुजाहिद अनवर खान ने पाक फ़िज़ाइया के नए सरबराह के तौर पर कमान संभाल ली है। वज़ारत दिफा की जानिब से नए एयर चीफ की तकर्रुरी के लिए 4 नामों की समरी सदर ममलिकत मंजूर हुसैन को इरसाल की गई थी। सदर ममलिकत ने वज़ीर आज़म शाहिद खाकान अब्बासी की एडवाइस पर एयर मार्शल मुजाहिद अनवर खान को पाक फ़िज़ाइया का नया सरबराह नामज़द किया। पाक फ़िज़ाइया में कमान की तब्दीली की पुरवकार तकरीब एयर हेडक्वार्टर में मुनक़्क़िद हुई। सुहेल अमान ने एयर चीफ मार्शल मुजाहिद अनवर खान को कमान सौंपी। इस मौके पर JF-17 थंडर ने सुबुकदोश होने वाले एयर चीफ मार्शल को सलामी दी। एयर चीफ मार्शल मुजाहिद अनवर खान पाक फ़िज़ाइया के 22वें सरबराह हैं। वो एयर वार कॉलेज और नेशनल डिफेंस यूनिवर्सिटी से फारिगुल तहसील हैं। तर्जुमान पाक फ़िज़ाइया के मुताबिक मुजाहिद अनवर खान इससे कबल एयर हेडक्वार्टर्स इस्लामाबाद में बतौर डिप्टी चीफ ऑफ द एयर स्टाफ खिदमात अंजाम दे रहे थे। मुजाहिद अनवर खान ने पाकिस्तान एयरफोर्स की GDP ब्रांच में दिसंबर 1983 में कमीशन हासिल किया। नए एयर चीफ ने PAF एकेडमी असगर खान से एजाज़ी शमशीर बेहतरीन पायलट ट्रॉफ़ी हासिल की और वो चेयरमैन ज्वाइंट चीफ्स ऑफ स्टाफ कमेटी गोल्ड मेडल के हकदार करार पाए। सुबुकदोश होने वाले एयर चीफ सुहेल अमान का पाक फ़िज़ाइया में कमांड एंड चेंज की तकरीब से खिताब करते हुए कहना था,
Today, as I relinquish the responsibility of PF command on completion of my tenure as the Chief of the Air Staff, I bow my head in complete humility before Allah Almighty for His boundless blessings, help and guidance throughout my career. No doubt serving PF for over 4 decades has been a privilege, honor and a matter of great satisfaction for me. During this time, I just tried to do my job to the best of my abilities and sincerity for the progress and development of PF. Certainly, I cannot think of a greater honor than leading one of the best air forces of the world. On this occasion, I sincerely acknowledge example and guidance of the former air chiefs and PF veterans. I also express my gratitude to each courageous member of the Pakistan Air Force for their remarkable contributions toward making PF a strong edifice of national defense.
इत्तेहाद को कामयाबी की अलामत करार देते हुए सुहेल अमान का कहना था,
In particular, I'm grateful to all my PSOs for their wholehearted support and commitment all along. You have the ability to accomplish impossibles. You have lived the legacy of operating beyond constraints and limits, and that has been strength of my PSOs. Fight for and my dear PF combatants, I'm pleased that the PF adopted to an institutionalized direction with PF Compass. As future leaders, as well as followers of this elite organization, you need to see its implementation in true letter and spirit, and then improve upon it with the passage of time and give due course corrections. Have firm faith in Allah, in PF as an institutionalized organization, and in our people. Faith not only guarantees success, but it also allows unprecedented victories. Remember, being united is the key to success, and you must convert challenges into opportunities. PF is a wonderful team, and its beauty consists in the cohesive working of all branches. I urge you to strive for excellence in your assignments, put in your best for the country and PF, work with sincerity of purpose, and complete commitment to assigned tasks, however small they may appear to be. Being combatants of these elite organizations, always uphold the pledge to live for, fight for and die for this country.
सुबुकदोश होने वाले एयर चीफ ने नए एयर चीफ के लिए नेक ख्वाहिशात का इजहार करते हुए कहा,
On this occasion, I congratulate Air Marshal Mujahid Anwar on his assignment as Chief of the Air Staff Pakistan Air Force and wish him success in his new assignment. My successor is a sound professional with extraordinary leadership qualities, and above all, he is an excellent human being. He takes over the responsibility of PF fully charged and with a spirit of courage, commitment, professionalism, and specifically looking after every serving and retired person of this Air Force. I'm confident that during his tenure of command, Pakistan Air Force will scale new heights of excellence, inshallah. My prayers would also remain with him to lead the PF in the most dignified manner. Ladies and gentlemen, and my comrades, I wish you all the best of luck and pray that Almighty Allah keep you in His gracious care and guide you in all your endeavors to defend this beautiful motherland in keeping with glorious traditions of Pakistan Air Force. Pakistan Air Force Zindabad, Pakistan Paindabad.
पाकिस्तान में पहली मर्तबा हालात हाजरा के मुख्तसर मगर जामे प्रोग्राम्स, खबरों, तबसरों के अलावा दीगर समाजी, तिजारती, सकाफती, तफरीही, मालूमाती, मजहबी, तालीमी, सेहत और बच्चों के प्रोग्राम्स सिर्फ TNN TV पर।